You through some troubleshooting on the XL3000. This is a customer's machine that was sent back. He had a warranty concern that something was wrong. The blade was running off. So, the main reason a blade will run off is if one of these pulleys is out of alignment. It hasn't got to be out of alignment very much for the blade to come off, but the customer was unable to work out what to do. So I thought we'd just run through it. So a good way to check it is just with a straight edge of some sort. So these points should all be the same, which they are currently. This particular machine had this bottom pulley out of alignment. So it's a very simple process. There's one Allen key in the back there. So you just loosen that off, and that allows this mount that the pulley's in to move slightly. So just loosen that off, put your straight edge on, align it and retighten, and that's solved the problem. So she's running fine now. Of course, adjust the guides over so they're just touching. And this machine's now running for the sake of only a minute's work. The same principle on all the bandsaws. It's quite critical that those two pulleys are aligned, and they're pretty foolproof apart from that. So I hope that helps someone else.